Average rainfall totals haven't changed much, 1 inch to 3 inches, with localized 4-inch amounts, especially within this swath from Windham County, Vermont into the Upper Valley, Sullivan, Coos, and Grafton counties in New Hampshire. That's where flooding will be most likely with this event because of the heavy rain and the 1 to 3 inches locked into that snowpack. All of that water rushing into our local waterways means several waterways in Vermont will experience minor to moderate flooding today. Included in that bunch, the Walloomsac River near North Bennington, Vermont, and the Otter Creek at Center Rutland, Vermont. Both of those area waterways will flirt with major flood stage by day's end and need to be monitored most closely. As far as New Hampshire, minor flooding is expected at the Ammonoosuc River at Bethlehem and the Pemigewasset River at Woodstock and Plymouth, and it's just one river in northern New York we're monitoring, that being the East Branch of the AuSable River at AuSable Forks, New York. The heavy rain and the snow melting off of the mountains means sharp rises on our area waterways today. Be very mindful of the changing water levels. By tomorrow morning, we're still dealing with lingering flooding issues, and with temperatures hovering near freezing, anything that's spilled out of its banks, leftover wet roadways, they're freezing up, they're locking up. An icy and slick Thursday morning commute.